guys hear me? I want to make sure everybody can hear me. Can't hear me. Okay. Let's see. Good morning. Good morning. How about now? Can you guys hear me now? Good morning. You guys can hear me? Oh, I see. Okay, good morning. Can you guys hear me now? Let's see. Okay, we got YouTube going. Can you hear me from on Discord? Discord, yes. Okay. All right, I'll lower down the music, so it should be good. Good morning, Irina. See you here. All right. I bet take a trade. Let me just trail the stop. Hopefully it kicks me out, so then I could take a trade with you guys. There we go. Just only one micro, nothing big deal. All right, so we're gonna do this. Looks like they can hear me. You guys can see me. Good morning. I see Irina. I see.
Mr. Owl, chameleons change color.
Yep. All right. So now we get the trait. See. All right. So I took a small scalp, and I will explain my entry for you guys. And
how do you pick a favorite flavor of Tootsie Roll?
See, TikTok,
the world
you cannot
may never
hear me on
know.
TikTok.
That's my wife in the truck here in Riverside County, California.
Yeah.
14 million views as of this morning.
Yeah.
The comments are exactly what you'd think they are.
Yeah.
So I let her take the truck to grab groceries that day. She'd been driving it for 7 years without a scratch.
Mm-hmm.
She didn't see the Lamborghini in front of her. The thing's hood is 6 inches off the ground, and we've never even owned a sports car. She ran into it like it wasn't there. The guy parked next to her was filming. He caught the whole thing. That's how it went viral. So for the first 24 hours, we thought we were just going to file the claim and write it out. Then the messages started. My wife got over 100 DMs in 48 hours, and I got my own pile too. And the messages were brutal. Hope you have good coverage, lol. Your wife just totaled my dream car. Bro, your premium is about to look like a mortgage payment. And the worst one was just, prepare for the worst. Friends I haven't talked to in 10 years suddenly resurfaced with the same question. What's the bill going to look like on that? Coworkers texting me at 11 p.m.
Yeah.
3 different aunts forwarded me the clip like I hadn't already seen it. And the Lamborghini, get this, was $139,000 to repair. Our liability cap was $300,000, technically covered. But our carrier...
I wonder. Okay. Well, good morning, everyone. Whoever can hear me, good morning. I'll turn this off. Yeah, I know. Working on it. Yeah, the computer works well, but I guess there's no sound on what you call it, on TikTok. So we'll see. Maybe just have to finish the live and then, yeah, it's fine. Either way, it's fine. I'm just gonna end the live now and then gonna try to, let's see. Happy morning. Good morning, Melissa. Yeah, all the goods. I speak to them in a sign language, yeah. uh, I don't know why it's so sensitive. I just don't know why it does that, but okay. Also the speaker, sound effect, microphone. Ooh, microphone not detected. Okay. Alright, so how's everybody doing today? Let's see. I think I have the sound on. Tired, yeah. This whole weekend thing is tired. And yeah, so everything is good except the TikTok microphone is not working. Okay, one less thing to worry about for me today. So look at this melt up right now. So top of the hour. I need to concentrate on trading. I figured out the TikTok later. All right, so all this melt, you guys are not surprised already, right? You have seen this before, where like it touches the open, today's open, and it melts down, right? This is nothing new for us, and it was a perfect chef kiss, and now it's melting it down. And that's the also so many things that are in line right now. So one of the thing is that Let's see. One of the things is top of the hour that happened, right? So, and then also we reached the level, the today's open level. So nothing new. And it's just a pattern we have seen before. Yep. So R took short on here and right exactly at that level. That could not be more better entry right here. So I was gonna explain to you guys my entry for the long. So you see how it's this level right here, and you let me know if you cannot see it. So basically the level is around 880 area. So last when I came to the computer, last time it touched here, it went back up to the open. And then this is what I entered the second time to do what? To go to the open. Right? So very simple pattern. Very simple pattern. I see A is here. Good morning. Do I see a new person? The one starts with a G. Let me see. Good morning, Jess. So there's a G person. Let's see who else is here. If you want to tell us how you want to call you, G. I know there's a G like GEE, and there's a letter G, and there's a also an A. There's an R. So good morning, everyone. So it's a little bit pre-market, so I did take a little scalp right here, and I know R took this one short. Jess is sick. I'm sorry. I'm really sorry. I don't know. I know you're in Serbia, right? So probably the allergy seasons are not helping. Let's see. So yeah, so it's finding right now buyers. Like, so this one is like a 9 EMA right here I'm seeing. So they are trying to decide right now. Right? They're trying to decide on the 9 EMA because the VWAP actually it is at 800 level. So let me show you the VWAP. Yeah, see that? So it's around here, right? So it's no surprise that it is a fight right here. Like we don't know who's gonna win here, unless you took the short from the today's open. I didn't take this first long. I took the second long, and you know my like I was willing to risk a little bit because it was only 1 micropercent. So we are stalling out around the 900s right now. Yeah. So I see Deja is here today too. Welcome. I know you've been busy. The funny thing is TikTok people want me to go live so bad, and you know. And yeah, the sound doesn't work, so what I'm supposed to do. We got a lot of things going except the sound. Good morning, y'all. How are you doing on your account? I wonder how's your, I know the, what you call it, the alpha traders, alpha features, their platform is really hard to get used to it. I know Jess is a little bit struggling with that. I'm working on it. Let's put it that way. Yeah, you have not taken any on alpha, but go with like literally 1 micro because the platform, it is different. It's kind of like a good mixture of, I would say, Top Step with TradingView. You lost 300 Thursday before the live on my live account. Yeah. That last week was crazy. Remember, like, what was it? Thursday? Yeah. I should have waited. Thursday? I did not take a trade. You guys saw me. I was like, I'm trying to find a trade. It was obviously the short. Just one long right before, right at the open, which was the right entry. And then she tried her stop, and then she locked herself out. And when I was driving, I have like a thing that holds my phone. I was driving and looking, and I'm like, this is madness. This was madness. So, and guess what? We recovered. So no big deal. That's why I'm like trying to teach you guys long term. And not to be like, like laser concentrating on small trades. Because in long term, it's going to work out. Definitely. Yeah. It's okay to show you. Just with alpha, like I said, like only suggestion I have, make sure you go with like maybe 1 micro till you figured it out the platform. Because me and Jess like working on it. Yeah. See Jess, let's see what Jessica will type. We'll see. Yeah. It's just till you like get used to it, right? I mean, I'm not gonna control you guys what you guys do with your accounts. You do what you want to do, but till you get used to it, put some reps in it before you actually like go in it. So I don't see enough volume for me. Yeah. Yeah, you can, in the chat, like there's a futures chat, and they can also ask, because I noticed that if you don't confirm your order, like for stop loss, like if you want to trail your stop, ain't not gonna happen. See, I'll show it to you. Like, okay, I don't want to put a trade on it, but I'll show it to you. Let's see. So this is my, can you guys see it? My account. So this is, I already funded this account, right? So I already funded this account. I think the totals are right here. We can see it, but it's all with micros, literally with micros. Because, so like, let's say if you put your order here and then you want to do the trail to stop, how I do it, if you don't put confirm on right here, right now it says close and cancel, but usually you have confirm, it will not take it. So I have lost a trade where I thought I put in my stop loss, you know how I do in the plus, and it didn't take it because I didn't press confirm. So there's like, and you cannot do just a stop loss. You have to do like stop loss and take profit. You could do your bracket order, but sometimes depending on the structure, it's hard for me to decide the order, right? So yeah, so this was my trade, the one I told you about, guys. See that? All the little arrows. So I just added to my trade, ended up I think with 5 micros, and I just trailed my stop and I got kicked out there, which is fine, right? So did not took the big old trade, but hey, it was good. Yeah, so if you have questions, I'm still trying to learn, even though it's a funded account, but I do not dare to go with, like you saw me adding to my orders, but that's about it. Jessica says, I did get a bigger loss, so really go with the lower size. Like Anna says, yeah, just because, trading alone is really, really hard. Forget about like learning, learning a new platform. Tom says, hello from Finland. We also have in our Discord another person from Finnish. So Tom is on YouTube. Tom and Art can connect, and you might, I don't know if you guys speak the same language or not, but that'd be interesting, Tom. We have such international teams, someone from England. Actually, I keep forgetting to tell you that we have someone from Denmark, but they're just busy, so they do the stock calls out. They don't do futures. Yeah, so we have from England, we have Finland, and then Tom Martin says is in Finland. So cool. That's pretty cool. We'll see if I'll get some messages today that I posted. I'll be on TikTok, and I'm not there. My microphone doesn't work, and I don't want to spend time connecting it, because like I told you guys, like I will have to advertise myself, but my loyalty is to you guys. I care about you guys, so yeah. I saw R typing. Let's see. 15 minutes. Do you guys want the music or no? Or was it too loud? Because I don't know which speakers it comes from, the music. So look, I'll show the music. Let me know if you want the music or no music. Or you should be printing right now with your short. I hope you're trying your stops. Music, okay. So I put it on and let me know if it's too loud or not. Yeah, is this too loud or we okay? Oh, Iris, your wife's brother. Okay, Tom. Or we have your family. Thank you, R. R told me that he's been talking to me about my family, so you guys do speak the same language, Tom? So can you guys hear the music or no? No music. Okay. We're just gonna let it be like that. I'm gonna make a note for my son. So fix the music and fix the microphone on TikTok. Yeah, it's the first day with the computer, so I need to concentrate on trading, so I can't worry too much about it. So all this, I guess what I'm trying to see if they're gonna go down to that 820 level, which is what the VWAP is, all right? And we have noticed this pattern a lot on the right before the open, and I would tell you like how conveniently it is that they ended up right in the decision kind of line right before the open. So I know, we've been working on your goals. So are you trailing your stops? Because it's less than 15 minutes before open. Yep, happy me. Yes. R has made a huge progress. I know he's a really good trader. We just have to tweak a couple things. We're working with Irina right now, right? On her things, and then all right. So let's see what this meltdown, how long we're gonna go. I'm not taking a trade because right before the open, I show you the trade that I took in pre-market, and that's good for me. Yeah, no, you are the best. He listens, right? So, but all of you guys listen. Like Irina is really open to, because you guys have your own ways of trading, and here I am, I'm coming and twisting you guys and making you do different things, and by you guys not being resistant, I'm appreciate that. Because a lot of you guys do know how to like trade, and it's hard to switch to trading my way, right? But I try to alter how you guys trade, but just like tweak a little bit. So to be consistent. My whole goal for you guys is just to be consistent. Ellie's not here because she texted me she is working, and R and Ellie actually did the same stock that I did, right? Was it AT&T? And they messaged me saying like I was looking at the same stock, which makes me really happy because they're already seeing things that I see. And my goal is for you guys to be better than me. D Queen is here. Good morning. Haslak is here. So I'll make sure that, let's see. So good morning to A, good morning to G, and good morning to other G. Haslak, my queen, D Queen, Jess, Melissa, R, and Deja. Good morning, you all. So yes, good morning, everyone. Past luck, I share that. I know you were not here when I shared that, so I took a little scalp right here, and R took this short right here from the T open. And why are we melting out? What are the news? Is it the imbalances that because we yeah, it's a good job, Laura. Yeah. We have room. I mean, we do have room because we had such a good comeback on Sunday or Friday. We have a lot of imbalances down there. Yeah. I do. So if it was a different time, you see the VWAP that we talked about it. And let me see, make sure you guys can see it. You see the VWAP right here that we talked about it at 820 level. So it's trying to bounce off where? Right? Can you guys see that? So two ways to trade this, like R, you could be, from the T open all the way to the VWAP, take profit. Well, if we didn't catch this move, we have to see if it's gonna stall out here and we can take it reversal on here. But we don't trade anything in the middle. That's chasing in my opinion. I see Jess is there on YouTube. Thank you guys. I appreciate it. Okay. So we'll see what happens for. Let me see if I can play music through my phone. Let's see if that works. I might be able to figure something out. Good morning. My trade just got cut on my platform crash, but yeah, see, you protected. You protected. Nothing had to do with that. Yeah, so you're good. Yeah, Big Queen, I hope this week will be good for you. Yeah. Now you guys can hear the music. So it's stalling out, right? So still no music. Okay. Okay, we'll fix it tomorrow. See, we stalling out where? Like, I want you to guys type it in. Where are we stalling out? Where we're trying to find buyers. Yep. Jazz House, yep. Yeah, I have to sing for you guys today, right? In which language would you prefer me singing? It's so funny. The VWAP, yeah, VWAP. The reason I want you to type in, believe it or not, it engraves in your brain a little bit more. Right? So we're stalling out of the VWAP. See, look at that beautiful reversal. Like I said, I would take this reversal, but why am I not taking? I want you to guys type in, why am I not taking? Even though it's a perfect setup, it's an A+ setup for me. Everything it is aligning. Melissa already said it, so if you want the correct answer, you can read Melissa's answer. But why am I not taking the Jess? See you here saying, also answering, right? So we have Jess and Melissa said it. Who else can answer the question? Why am I not taking my perfect setup? I'm trying to trick us. I'm trying to make sure you guys listening to me. I'm a strict teacher. Why we are not taking a trade? Jess and Melissa answered this already. Too close, yep. All right. And again, the reason I'm asking you to type in, so you guys remember for yourself, not me. Thomas, my sister's husband, and I have been his mentor. I told him to join here today to follow you and listen to you. Thank you, Ara. I really appreciate it. It's so nice that you guys believe in me and you invite your family. That means a lot to me. So it is too close to the open, right? So is it a perfect? See how it's stalling out? But it's too convenient for them to trap me in. Like Jesus try to trying to, right? It's like, will you in? So it's like, okay, come in. I'm stalling out. I'm going to reverse. But what is the, there's no guarantees, right? Because it could be accumulation. We all know about market accumulation, right? And then the bull traps, and there's many fancy ways. The bottom line is the time doesn't align, right? We have 6 minutes left. The time is not aligning. The level is aligning, but it could be accumulating and taking us, whooping our behind. Yeah, you're trying to think like the market. This means you should wait. Yeah, we're gonna wait right now. We're not gonna be the accumulation. And I have no clue because of the VWAP. This is where the price should be, right? So this is where the price should be at, and they went up on Friday. They tried a little bit more, retraced a little bit on overnight on Sunday, and now this is where institutions and a lot of traders are because we have VWAP. So we all corrected the price. And where is it going to go? I don't know. So now we have the first algorithms. Did you guys see that gem? When did it happen? I want you to answer. When did that gem happen? And I've been talking about this a lot on the stream. When did this gem happen? And why did it happen? Anybody's typing? Five minutes before the open, Jess, right? What happens 5 minutes before the open? Spread it out so you can see better. Algorithms, 925 algo jump, right? Good. But we see that every single time, right? We see the same pattern every single time. You hear me say, isn't it convenient before the open? And the algorithms 5 minutes before. You can use that in your advantage. So if you're in a bad trade, right? Like if you're in a bad trade, you need to size up, or if you need to get out of a trade, that's a good place too. So you knowing the knowledge, many things you could do with it. And you guys know I've been teaching you how to get out of bad trades. All right, so we have 3.5 minutes left to the open. We'll see what we can do. So if you are in a trade right now, obviously you want to trail your stops. Yeah. Okay, so yeah, the first day with the new computer, we have YouTube is going, Discord is going, TikTok is not going, but it's okay. TikTok people can't wait. So SpaceX was also on the scanner, so I think more money is flowing into SpaceX, which is good. I added to my position at one when it dropped to, let's see, I think I talked to you on the screen when it dropped to 150. So my first one was 135 because it was IPO, and the second one was a 150. We'll see what happens. So, okay. So all that algorithms 5 minutes, it didn't matter, right? It didn't matter. He flushed it all out. It did not matter at all. Yeah. Okay, so 2 minutes to the open. If I take a trade, I will let you know, guys. I will call it out in case And Jess, you've been very supportive. I really, really appreciate you. We had some chats over the weekend. She's very sweet, very kind. So I just want to say appreciate you. Okay, a minute. And yeah, it's kind of cool because I have like relationships with each of you on a different level. So it's really sweet. I'm happy, right? Yeah. And with Melissa, it's like we go back a while, right? Okay, 1 minute. So if I'm not paying attention to the chat, it's because I'm trying to concentrate and see what happens. I'm actually really intrigued what's going to happen here at the 825 level. Really intrigued, actually. Okay, 30 seconds. So now they want to make sure they show that they're going to break it down. But will they break it down, right? That's the question. A lot of people getting chopped right now. Okay, 10 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Ding, ding, ding. Let's go. So we're breaking the weave up. And we're rejecting right away, meaning like we're finding buyers right away. Right away. We're not going in. We're not going to get fooled. We're not getting fooled. I do think they're going to take it up. I really do think so. I really do think it's going to take it up. Yep. Yep. Were they listening to me, you guys? Why I didn't take a trade. I want you to type in why I did say it's going to take it up and why I did not take a trade in my perfect setup. I want you guys typing. That's an easy question. Should be really easy answer. I see you guys typing. I see you guys typing. So I'm going to wait. Perfect setup and I'm not in a trade. Openness to volatile. Yes. You wait for the first 5 minutes. Yes. Right? I still read the market. I still want, because everything I pre-talked, right? Everything I pre-talked, I said I'm really intrigued what's going to happen. We saw the market flush. I didn't believe in the flush. I still did not believe in the flush. I said it might go take you long, but I didn't take it. All right. So you guys recognizing my patterns. So there's a market patterns, right? And then you recognizing my patterns. If anybody else took it, put a buy right here. Congratulations. You are good. It's just not for me. I have all day. And like we talked about in psychology lesson, your job is not actually also not to take a trade, because our job is to protect the capital, right? So I'm going to wait a little bit and see what happens. I have no clue what's going to happen. I'm just reading the price action out loud. So the RSI is not telling us anything. Actually, the VWAP is telling us something, but RSI is not telling anything. The 9, and you also see what does it want to go. I'm going to wait for you guys to answer this. What do you think it wants to go? You guys know my patterns. You guys know I repeat the same things. What does it want to go? Today's open. Good job, G. Paying attention. Yep. Right? So the magnet is there. See, I don't do all the fancy things. You know how people put on this, put on that. I don't have time for that. But yes, long it is. Did I miss a trade? I definitely did. Do I want to be in this? No. No. I'm okay. So this is your 3 minutes of the market. It was a beautiful weave up. And okay, I'll ask one more question, right? I'm going to ask why this candle is so long. Why the first 30-second candle almost turned red. It went all the way to 775. I want you guys to answer that. Anybody's typing? Why did it go down this much? I don't see anyone typing. I see Jess and G typing. Why did it went down so much? It came and took liquidity at previous low VWAP. Okay, it's a really good. Somebody else, please enter that. G, you watching? Where is it going? So besides Jessica, you guys not sure why this candle was so big? And it went down all the way to 778. Not sure why it went to particular price. Okay, I can explain that. That's why I ask questions. All right, why it went down. So we have a VWAP, right? So we have a VWAP. A lot of people put the buy to break up the VWAP. So we can do this right here. I don't think we're gonna get filled. So they put a buy right here, and guess where they put the stop loss? Below what? Below a VWAP, right? Can you guys see that? I do not want to get filled. I'm gonna cancel it, but you guys saw it, right? Right? So they get stopped out and it goes your way. How many times you've been in a trade, you get stopped out and then you want to break everything that you own around you to literally smash the walls because it goes your way after it grabs your stop. Right? So the price everybody stops is around 800 right over here, Melissa. And then they go right below your stop and it goes your way. Yep. It's actually London low. Thomas says London low. That's possible too. I don't have that level, but I see support. But I personally believe, yeah, it took the London low. Yeah, probably did. So because that's why they have the stops. Yeah. See, Melissa said I've been there a bunch of times. So by me talking, I really hope that you see the manipulations that people talk about it. Right? So you go long and then right before the open, you put your stop at even level 800 and then knocks you out and it goes your way. And Tom says it took London low, so probably did. So now we're gonna go test a little bit below. No trade for me yet. It's been 6 minutes, but we'll see if the VWAP holds here. If it does, then I could take long, but I don't see it yet. Anybody took any trades yet? Not yet. No, not yet. Learning. Yep, we're learning. Again, that's a win-win situation. We have not taken a trade. We talked about it. It's like, I always say, like reading a different language, right? So I'm trying to help to read you a different language. And then we'll see how we act. So why are we stalling out here, right? So back to accumulations. I know like a lot of you guys, it's hard to trade the New York Open. But yeah, I suggest not yet, Irina not yet. And we don't get caught. We have time today. So let me see if I could show you. I'm watching on the other place. I'll let you know if I have to. Okay. Did anybody read my notes today about the stocks? That's not a bad push. right? So that's one of the socks we posted today. Well, I mean, I'm gonna try it. I'll see how my day goes, but I'll try to post the day before so you guys can do more analysis, more time to analyze things. Let me see. Yep, just it. So yeah, we have to be everywhere, guys. While we watching the NQ, while we watching the futures, we also have to learn stock. See, this one took off too. Now it's retracing, which is nice because they're gonna do fair value gap. Many ways to trade. You go in the morning, or you wait for retracement and then you go. That's the VZ, which is Verizon. That's it. I'm telling you, like, you don't need much time. You just check, even if you don't trade. Yep, you just check and move on with your day. Okay, so we are wanting to take this long, so I might take it long. Not yet. Big believe in BLTR. In the next few years it should go. Yeah, you're not rushing. So it is beautifully wants to reject here. I'm gonna wait for retracement. Yeah, so Irina says yes. I really like PLTR. G believes in a couple years it should go. Yes, definitely. It's just farting around in this area, you guys. Can't find my entry. All right. I don't want to get top filled on top right here. But we might have to, so we might not have a good entry, but we'll see. I'll prepare my order. If it breaks through, it's not a, let's see, 931, is it too late? I want to wait for pullback. I'm sorry, guys. I cannot go in yet. I want to wait for a little pullback before I go in. So I think they want to try to break this today's open. I just don't want to get filled right on top. Am I gonna give us a pullback? All right, that's the pullback. I wanted to pull back to like 850 area first to see if I could find my entry. Okay, here goes the 850 area. So now I want to see what it makes a decision. Okay. No entry yet. No entry yet. I don't see it yet. Okay, nope. We might have missed it, but let's see. I'm gonna put a buy at 883 and see. Yep, we got filled. 883 is the price, and if it goes my way, I want to add one more at around 900 area.
Order filled.
Okay, let's go. Let's push.
Order filled.
Took a long at 866, took to 918, 2 micros. You done, G then. Lock yourself out. Literally lock yourself out.
OCO orders placed. Order modified.
All right. So the take profit in my perfect world will be break of today's open. Okay. Let's see if we can push. I'm gonna trail my stop pretty soon.
Order filled.
So 900 is what we're finding a little bit resistance. You done? Yep. So we're trailing our stops past the 900, and I might get kicked out, and I'm okay with it. Okay, you guys? Should be out now. Am I out? Not yet. Okay. Everybody's good. Everybody's green. Done. That's it. We are chilling. We are chilling. Yes. Hey, how are you, Lithuanian? Hello. How would you like us to call you? I see L Beretta? Okay, I'm gonna try to take a screenshot with the microphone. Let's see. Let's see. Oops, I did it. I think I did it. I don't know how to undo this screenshot. Okay, I don't know if I did it or not. Okay, everybody's good. Everybody's green. Yep. We good. Everybody's happy. Yep. Jess is done. Nice trade. We all done. Yep. Melissa done. We're good. Remember, we have life to live. We don't have time for all of this. Okay, so I'm gonna trail my stop where? Where I'm gonna trail my stop to? You guys please tell me. Why did I put my stop here? And what was I looking for? I don't have my water. To hold today's open. So far it's failing to hold because I was looking for breakthrough today's open, right? See, Jess is following my words, so which very thank you for listening. But the main goal is for you guys to understand what I'm thinking. Is it possible that they took my stop and they're gonna go to my take profit? Possible. But you know what I say? It's none of my business. Not my business what it does after this. Right? Not my business. I have things to do. Guess what I'm doing, you guys, today? Yeah, most likely, yeah. We happy. We chilling, you guys. My main goal is for you guys not to stress. I like when G says, don't risk it for the biscuit. Yeah. Yeah, we done. Is it gonna go my way? 99. Yeah, we happy. That's it. We're done. We're chilling. That's it. Yeah. It's like you guys know, like whoever knows me long enough, like I did stress enough in this market. I'm not going to stress anymore. And my reason for telling you guys, like I really want to teach you not to be on the charts all day long. Did we got a good entry? No. Did I mean could have we got in here? Of course. But I was waiting. I missed that. That's okay. Let's recap. why did I not go in here? Because I waited for the 850 area retracement, and we got that. Did I get in at 850? No, I got in around 900, right? No, the 900 was the second order. So I'm not like the best trader or get the best entries, right? But we did exactly what we pre-talked it would do, and it did it 3 times. We could have taken a trade here. We talked about why I didn't take it. We could have taken trade here. We talked about why we didn't take it, and we took it a 3rd time. Yeah, one and done. Like, look, has luck. Lucas, right? Always says like, one and done. Thank you. Have a good day. He comes in here. He takes one trade with me, and we're done. Like, I mean, we talk more than we trade. We have more relationships and friendships than we trade. Yeah. And then R says, I made a day's wage without stress. We literally have fun. You guys tell me. We have fun too, right? Done. Can I go on, show off, look at me, I got 200 points? No, because I want to be safe. Because I don't know what's going to do at today's open. I really don't. I think it's going to break it, and it's going to go to the purple line, which is 30.10. But it's not my business anymore. And that's why we have the stocks. We put into stocks, and if it goes up, great, we're good. Questions for anybody? Because guess what I'm doing today? I'm going to wait for you guys to type. Any guesses what I'm doing today? And while you guys are typing, G, I'm putting pressure on you. I want you to make, I want you to take your account to pay out. Golf? No, it was my first time ever golfing. So what is it going, you guys? What is it going? Where is the market going? Yeah, see that G's really good about walking away. He doesn't get FOMO. That's one thing he does not have to work on at his FOMO. Yep. And see, no one is typing in the YouTube. We all good. What is it going, you guys? Where? You tell me. I'm gonna wait, and I'll tell you what I'm doing later. But what is it going, you guys? Today's high. Right? Could I make more money? Of course. So I was looking, see, it's like I'm a fortune teller. I was looking to break off today's open. Right? And let's go to touch the grass and roll in the grass now. Really close, actually. It's one of my beach days. I'm going to take the kids again to the beach. They really had a great time, and they love playing basketball. So when we get there early, when it's cooler, the kids play basketball, and then later we lay out. I took them out for pizza. I took them out for ice cream. They were digging. They were swimming. They had so much fun. And I don't have to go back and be like, oh, I burned an account. Oh, I took a mine. You know, could I have more money? But I don't think that way, right? I don't think that way. I think I was like, I'm cool. I took the trade on a pullback, right? So technically I've been touching sand, but pretty close. Any questions for anybody? Because I'm good. We are happy here. Yep, look at that chef kiss. See, I didn't see, that's why I want to teach you guys. You guys, look at this. Today's high. Look at this chef kiss right here. Look at that. Right? Chef kiss. And it's rejecting. So can you take a trade short? Yes, you can. That's why I'm a reversal trader, because I take opposite trades. Mwah, exactly. I like this minion emoji. It's so cute. Yeah. Questions? Oh, everybody's good. I hope, Irina, did you take a trade? See, just and conveniently the rejection is today's high, and way to VWAP too. I see Jess is typing, and I want to see if Irina took a trade. And if not, then if you guys don't answer, I'll message you. Thanks for calming session. Enjoy the beach. Yeah, thank you. I just want to do things for the kids. My schedule is so busy. So for me to take those beach days, I have to schedule way in advance. So I try to be, present for the kids, present for the husband, present for you guys. So like, see, right now when I'm here, I'm not worried about the beach. I'm worried about you guys and taking you the trade. TikTok didn't work. I don't care. I'm worried about you guys. I want to give you the undivided attention. Irina said it did take a trade. You did. You got out early. Doesn't matter. Was it green? We have different goals for you, Irina. Was it green? Was it gold green? Your P&L green. That's all I care. I don't care the amount. Just want to make sure it's green. And no FOMO. Just enjoy the green. Yep, we're just enjoying the green. That's it. So, you went back to test what? I'm gonna ask one more question. You went back to test what, you guys? I want you guys to be typing. You went back to test what? You rejected today's high, and you went back to test what? Asia Open. Can you guys see the patterns there? Many ways to trade, many ways to take and trade this money. But yep, can you guys see that? And why it went below? Why we have this wick? Last question, I promise. Teacher is being hard today on you guys. Why we wicked below the Asia Open? I'm waiting. Melissa is typing. Grab the stops. Take out the stops. See, easy, not complicated. We're not gonna get caught into this mess. Yep. Good. I see G is typing. Yep. Teachers is on to us today. Yep. Paying attention. having my finger in you guys. Now that I have a new camera, I was like, I need to use this. You're a great teacher. Thank you so much, Melissa. I think you learned a lot here, right? Has it been 2 months for you? I have seen a lot of progress in you and your piano and all that. So wait for Melissa to answer and anybody else. And then we good. Peace out. We're doing our thing. Melissa is typing. We're gonna wait for her to type, and then this helps me to put all together and trade calm. Yeah, you guys, a lot of you know how to trade. It's just I tweak a little bit for you guys. And so I think only a month. Yeah. And I seen your videos. You're a lot more excited. You have a different vibe about you. So yeah. Joe is gonna break today's high. That's what I think. Yeah. Jess is typing. Anybody else? Are we all good? I don't know if Jess stopped typing or not, but I'm good if you guys good. And then that's it. Too bad for TikTok people, right? Oh my goodness, you guys. Hymns. When did we post it? Hymns. Hold on. I want to see this. Let's see. Let me see one thing. When did I post it? Hymns. Ooh, look at that. Okay. I'll show you one more thing. That's me showing off. That's totally me showing off. Okay. Let me show off. You guys know I'm not big on showing off, but this one I want to show off. Okay. We posted this 19 days ago. Who is ready to see this beautiful, beautiful chart? Okay. I am showing off. 19 days ago, I put it when this stock was, let me see. You guys ready? At 31. The stock was at 31 and today is at 38. This is me totally showing off. So who can do calculations for me if I bought a stock, let's say at 31 and right now it's at 38, what is the percentage gain? Can someone do that for me? 38. Too tired to the math. What percentage gain? Let's see. 22%. In 19 days. You guys, that's why I keep saying, like, don't stress about like the prop firm so much. Do the prop firms, get your payouts, and this is what I want you to do. 22% in 19 days. According to ChatGPT, I'm not that clever. Hey, G, I appreciate you. Yeah, we like it. We can use it to our advantage. So that's why we don't stress. We put the money in there. So if you would have put your $2,000 payout in just one stock, you would have been up $400 in 19 days. Where can you get your return on your money like that? So no more showing off for me. All right, you guys. So have a wonderful day. If you have any questions, you're more than welcome to put into chat. You guys know I can answer all of it. So we good. Everybody's green. Everybody's good. Right? Yep. Everybody's good. All right, you guys. So have a wonderful, wonderful, wonderful day. And I'll see you guys tomorrow then. Simple.